Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plugtv Live. On the Gist today, popular Lagos prophet Israel Oladele of Celestial Church bags jail term for defrauding a UK-based woman. Details in a bit.
She doesn't have anything. God just told me that right now. And God says, when they were blessing, as they were blessing you, tell her to pack all the seed. I don't know how it's going to be, but trust me, my coming to the ministry is to be a blessing to all my members.
A Lagos State High Court sentenced the shepherd in charge of the Celestial Church of Christ Global Genesis to 2 years imprisonment. The 7 charges were brought against the cleric, but the judge found him guilty of 2 of those charges. The Prophet Israel Oladele Ogundipe of the Celestial Church of Christ Global Genesis Parish was sentenced to 2 years imprisonment for defrauding a United Kingdom-based woman. The presiding judge, Justice Olabisi Akinlade, sentenced the cleric after finding him guilty on 2 of the 7 charges brought against him. Oladele was said to have defrauded one Mrs. Olaide William Oni to the tune of 11 million naira. It was gathered that the matter has been in court since 2007, but the popular Lagos prophet has repeatedly pleaded not guilty to the charges against him. This means that it took 13 years for judgment to be served. Anyway, judgment was served today and the sitting lasted for about 4 good hours. Justice Akinlade also ordered that the prophet should pay the complainant the sum of 11 million, which he illegally obtained from her. Both sentences are to run concurrently, and the defendant is to restitute the complainant the sum of 2.5 million in respect of the second count, which is stealing, and 8.5 million in respect of the fourth count, which is unlawful conversion of property not delivered. Following the judgment, Rotimi Odutola, the lead prosecuting counsel for Lagos State, thanked the court for the ruling. According to the prosecution, Ogundipe committed the offense between August 30th, 2002 and 2005. During the period, he was alleged to have fraudulently obtained 14 million naira and 12,000 pounds in various tranches from the complainant. Between August 30th, 2002 and December 2003 at 32 Bello St. Ladipo Estate, Shogunle, Lagos, he allegedly received 2.9 million naira from Williams Oni to purchase an uncompleted building for her, but fraudulently converted the money to his own use. The prosecution said that between March and December 2003, at Common Bureau de Change, Broad Street, Lagos, he stole 12,000 pounds from the complainant. Well, this story has come as a shock to a lot of people, but I'm sure you're still wondering why. In case you don't know this popular Lagos pastor, let's show you some of the clips from his sermon.
And God said to me, let me show you. Mama, come. No, the woman, come. Do you know why you're giving money? You know why you're blessing the altar? You're doing it because you are confirming the authenticity of the word and you are claiming it to yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do me a favor. Go get me, run. Under 2 minutes. Get yourself a nylon bag. Come. Come. Oh, you've been able to take nylon bag, right? Open the nylon. Begin to pack with your hand and take it. Pack with your hand. Put it in your bag. Pack it. Go home with it. I don't know why God said I should do that, but trust me, it is my mission in life that every member of Genesis must laugh. And I don't know how it's going to happen, but whatever you do, we live to add value to our generation. Genesis is not about what you're going to give to the church. It's about what the church is going to give to you. Crying and backing. I push it to you. Back all. If there's nothing we want to do again, if this is the only thing we're going to do today in the church, let a member of the church go home with what you have blessed me with. She was only thinking of the little coin that would take her home, but nothing in her account, nothing with her. She doesn't have anything. God just told me that right now. And God said, when they were blessing, as they were blessing you, tell her to pack all the seed. I don't know how it's gonna be, but trust me, my coming to the ministry is to be a blessing to all my members.
And that's all the gist we have for you today. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.